How to turn off replay on Snapchat. In this video, I will be showing you guys 3 ways. Now open your Snapchat. Here we go. Your camera will open up. First, you can take a snap. After you take a snap, at the right corner, you will find different features of Snapchat. At the very bottom, you will find this clock kind of icon. Tap on it. Now you can set it to 1 or 2 seconds. This will not completely turn off replay on Snapchat, but it will limit the time. Likewise, the second way is you have to update your Snapchat to the Snapchat Plus. For that, head towards the profile. Now over here, you will find this option of Snapchat Plus. Tap on it. After you upgrade your Snapchat to the Snapchat Plus, you will be able to turn off replay on Snapchat completely. Likewise, the third way is you have to go to the conversation section. From here, select any of the conversation for that you want to turn off the replay. I'm gonna select this one. Long press on it. Different options will pop up. Tap on the option of chat settings. You will see this option of delete chats. Tap on it. Set it to after viewing. With that, you will be good to go. So these are 3 ways to turn off replay on Snapchat. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.